Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. It's MTG here, and this is MTG channel. Get it? MTG channel. Okay, this tower's hard, you know. I need to try to do it. You have to go and face the hardness of a tower. It's hard for a reason. It's supposed to be like hell, they say. But nothing could be like hell than hell itself. No! I just made and I had to die. Guys, why? Why did this game not die before? Why did this game have to be so annoying? I'm a Tower of Hell master. Okay, guys. Now these are just technical difficulties happening. Yeah. Just technical difficulties. Okay, this tower's a bit rage baiting. What game shall we play? Let's play some Flood Escape. Sounds like a better game. Welcome to Flood Escape. Beginning playing, head over to the multiplayer factory and lab. I know. Someone please come with me. Please. How am I gonna do this? Like, where's my coil? Where's my everything? Die. Okay, I'm not afraid yet. I'm like a guy who gives up. Okay, I gave up. I need to get my coil. Where's it gone? Extra floor dash confirm. I guess I forgot. And now I can go. Yeah, more people in. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This one you have to press buttons. That's a bit annoying. I was gonna jump in, but I can't miss out on the buttons. You get more stuff when you hit the button. Oh, I can kind of miss out on the buttons. And someone died. Who won the game first died. Oh my god, how are you supposed to do this? Oh my god. I risked my life. They're not making it. At all. And they died. save automatically whenever they change. Please wait, round begin. Lowering lift. All this stuff. Okay. Oh my god. I risked it. It'll be so hard. No! How am I losing? Guys, let's play a different game. I don't want to be a bit of a loser. Now let's go drive some planes and sometimes fail a bit miserably. Come on, load. Yes, I only have 32 million, but because I spent most of my money. Oh yeah, airport tycoon too. So now let me show you a quick tour. Most of the main building is boring. Let's do the twin prop. I can get a helicopter and a cargo plane. You know I did it. I just need to find out where the thingy is. So I'll go to the private jet last. So let's just follow the taxi lines. And I forgot to start this plane. Jump out. So I did the twin prop, the starter plane. I already did this whole line. I'm pretty sure. All the planes you can get. I think. There's that side, the commercial jet. I'm just trying to move this because the commercial is going to spawn in the middle, but maybe not. Let's press it. Yep, there's the commercial jet. And then now, let's go and look for my other island where I can show you me putting my finger in a cargo plane. But I'm not just going to teleport. I'm going to teleport to see that. I'm going to take you in my private journey plane. I don't know why I went this way. Let me just walk it. Oh, this is Pirate Island Air Force Base. That's the one. Let me go on the stumbling quickly to take me around. Wait, no. What color? I forgot to tell you. I'm Kalola. Okay. So when I see those. Oh, okay, that's the easy place. Now let's go to my private jet. Okay, it's a bit rage bleaching. That was a different line I went into though. By the way. So now let's get into, I put a blue, it's normally black, but I like keeping it this color. And then we go, this will stay low. Stay low. Where is it? There. I'm pretty sure. Stop. And that's someone else's. Where's the extra? I'm going slow in this, I need to go fast. Not to be careful, let's get careful to prepare for landing. So anyway, let's do that. So yeah, let me show you a few of my planes. Let's go slow. I need to park the spot. I'm gonna park on the side. Let me show you my blimp. I used a blimp first, so I don't know how to drive around in a blimp. Look at this giant thing. So funny. I don't know why it pops all the way here. Get into a blimp. Look at this. In a blimp. I've been crashing in the water. You see that? I've been crashing in the water. It's so funny. Imagine that happens in real life, guys. The starfighter is so good. He can actually fight. So why is it not spawning? Yep. Thank you. It's so fast as well. I'm only putting it as small. Look how. And Christmas trees. And this is so fun. Okay, it's really fast. Okay. Now let me get out. There's some pretty boring planes there. I'll do the helicopter and that cocoa plane after. Let's go on the A10 Wellington. This plane. You can see it, I think. I don't know why I'm not doing it anyway. That's fine. Yep. This one can shoot as well. The starfighter is faster. Let me show you the boring planes quickly. I buy that. So boring plane number 1. Bip plane. B plane. I only bought the other one. Okay, this one's boring. Has nothing feature. I only bought that stunt plane because I thought it could do stunts first. And I was just crap, it couldn't do anything. The aerial glider is okay. Guys. It's more than it. Who cares about the one if you have one? Exit. So fun. Enjoying the game. Give us a like. Bucket, please. Let's go up, up, up. Let's get out. Now let me spawn the helicopter. Finally, we got to that point. Oh, guys, maybe that needs to be done in another video. But I hope you like it. And this is the end of the video. Bye.